Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sugar and Spice Hairstyles. And if you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Stacy and this is Miss Aria. And today is a very exciting video. We are doing our first giveaway on this channel. So thumbs up for giveaways. We're doing this giveaway in honor of reaching 300 subscribers here on our channel. So we want to thank each and every one of our subscribers for your support. I will insert pictures somewhere here of the items you're going to get in the giveaway. You're going to get a shampoo and conditioner by Matrix. It is the Matrix Biolage Color Last Shampoo and Conditioner. Really good shampoo and conditioner. I use it all the time. It's my favorite, and even if you don't have color treated hair, it is still a really good shampoo and conditioner. You're also going to receive a wet brush, one of the original wet brushes, which is amazing for any type of hair, straight hair, curly hair. It doesn't matter. It is so good. You can use it on wet hair, dry hair, and it is so good about getting the tangles out without feeling like you're pulling your hair completely out. So the wet brush is a definite must-have in my household. And the other item in the giveaway is going to be a Hot Tools Turbo Ceramic Salon Ionic Hair Dryer. And it is a great hair dryer, and it is so gentle on your hair, and I really like it. And I think you will really love it as well. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is be subscribed to this channel and comment your favorite hair products down below on this video. So super simple, that's all you have to do. The winner will be chosen on April 1st, so the giveaway will be open for 2 weeks. So if you're as excited about this giveaway as I am, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, go ahead and click subscribe down below and be sure and leave a comment with your favorite hair product so you can get entered in the giveaway. Now without any further ado, let's jump right on into today's hairstyle tutorial. So we're just going to call this style the Elastic Diamonds, and you'll see why at the end. It's really simple and cute and a great hairstyle for toddlers and young girls. So to start this style, I'm going to section her hair into 3 sections at the front and make 3 little ponytails. You could do 3 sections or 5 sections. I'm going to show you 3 sections, and if you do 5 sections, it's the same concept. You'll just do more little ponytails as you go back, but I'm going to show you how to do it with 3. Okay, so I'm starting by getting a section in the very front here, just a small section, and then I'm going to place a small elastic. Now I'm going to take a section from about the end of her eyebrow or her temple back, and take another small elastic and make another little ponytail. Then we're going to do another one on this side. Okay, once you have your 3 little ponytails, now all you're going to do is take the ponytail in the middle, split it in half. Then we are going to combine it with one of the ponytails on the side. This is on her right side. So just combine it right in the middle and make that into one ponytail. Then we're going to take the other half of that top ponytail and combine it with the other side ponytail and make another little ponytail. Now we're going to take these 2 ponytails and combine them. We're just going to combine these into one more ponytail right in the center. And that is the finished style. So do a little spin for them. And you see how you have created a diamond shape here? So it's a really cute, fun, and simple style that gets their hair back out of their face, but it's still down for days that they want to wear their hair down or you want them to wear their hair down, but it still gets the hair out of their face. So we really like this one, and we hope you really like this one as well. If you did, please be sure and give the video a thumbs up. Show us some love and click subscribe down below. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at SugarandSpice Hairstyles. Those are linked in the description bar down below. So good luck to everyone who enters into our giveaway. And that is going to be all for this video, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.